Hi everybody, I'm going to do a quick tutorial on how to access and navigate the Google Classroom that is set up for all of the reading and language arts credit recovery classes. I'm currently in 7A, however 7B and 8A are set up exactly the same way. It just has different curriculum. When you come into Google Classroom, like all Google Classrooms, you're automatically on the stream. If you just access everything from Stream, you can get really confused. The Zoom link I will always keep toward the top. However, when you come into the class, click on the classwork tab at the very top, the second tab over. This will bring you straight to the challenge exams. The way that the class is set up is that you take the challenge exam first. If you can pass a challenge exam with an 80% or better, you move on to the next challenge exam. Same thing. If you pass with an 80% or better, access the next one. And you do that until you're completely done. If you do not pass the challenge exam with an 80% or better, say you get a 50% or a 60%, if you email me, I will reset the quiz for you one time. If you do not pass the second time, then you need to scroll down and do the assignments down here. All the assignments for all of the units are the icons that look like a notebook on each of the units. Accompanying the Unit 1 information down here is also a slides presentation and some sort of video or vocabulary to refresh your memory on what the challenge exams are. For example, if I click on Unit 1 and I see that it's plot and I think I don't remember what plot was, I can come down here, view a slide, watch a video, and then retake the quiz again, if that is helpful. If you pass the quiz with an 80%, move on to Unit 2, and so on. And then Unit 3, and so on. You have the opportunity to be out of this class fairly quickly if you choose to do the challenge exams right away, and depending on how much practice you need. If you have any questions, please let me know. All these classes are set up the same. I believe 7B has 3 units, and 8A has also 6 units. Good luck, and please let me know if you have any questions.